Hey folks, I'm back again. I'm at the shop, as you can see behind me, and new development. Mechanic came out to listen to the engine while it's running, and while it was running, all the noise, all the bad noise went away, and then it came back, and then it went away. So he climbed up underneath the bus, and he's thinking now that it's a flex plate that's bolted to the engine that's broken, and so they're going to have to pull the transmission and replace that flex plate if there's not too much damage. So anyhow, that's the new update. So it doesn't look like a spun bearing at all, after all. But you know, no telling what happened to the transmission or if there's damage down there beyond repair. So I'll let you know more as I know more. Anyhow, thanks for watching and hope everybody's doing well.